Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm doing a report about energy. The report done by محمد Hussein guys Abid under the supervision of Mr. Ali Al-Tarayhi. The report submitted to المتميزين High School. Introduction. We use energy every day. In fact, we actually do everything with energy. We cook with energy, we travel with energy, we work everything with energy. Research questions. The real questions are, from where does all this energy come, and how does it exist and reach us? Analyzing natural renewable energy. There is a lot of natural sources of energy like sun, water, and air. The sun is the biggest supplier source of energy that Earth has. Also, other natural sources of energy like air and water are very significant to use in supplying energy. Other sources can be considered as non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy. There is a lot of non-renewable energy sources in the world. They are considered as limited sources. Oil, gas, and coal's a fossil fuel, and the nuclear energy is a non-renewable source of energy too. Oil is the most used source of energy in the world that we use more than any other source of energy. Problems with non-renewable energies. The problem with non-renewable sources of energy is that it is a big source of pollution, and the second problem is that these sources are going to end with the end of 21st century, because of we have to wait more millions and millions of years to reproduce more gas and oil and coal and the uranium that we get from get the nuclear energy from it. Due to these reasons, we will have to quit using our most usable sources and start depending on renewable energy more. Renewable versus non-renewable. Renewable energy is safe and unlimited, but we tend to not use it a lot because it is a bit expensive when it compared to non-renewable sources of energy like oil and the sun energy. Origin of non-renewable sources. The coal comes from planets that have been under the surface from millions and millions of years ago. Oil and gas comes from the dead microscopic organs that had been burnt under the ground for millions and millions of years too. The nuclear energy comes from uranium atoms that can create a huge amount of energy, making use of renewable energy. Instead of using oil, coal, or nuclear power to produce energy, electricity, we can use sun power to heat water that transforms into steam that can move electricity producing turbines. The same action happens when water coming from a waterfall or dams. Conclusion. Some say that renewable energy is expensive, but the fact is different. Renewable energy is only a bit more expensive, and this excuse is used by oil companies and the people who benefit from it. Renewable energy is sustainable, healthy, and very productive. Conclusion. Although non-renewable energy is productive, it's not healthy, not sustainable, and causes a lot of pollution. Note, some renewable energy can cause some problems with for some creatures like fish. This can be controlled. And note, geothermal energy can operate just like sun power.